Figma Plugins App. The pros, the cons. The Figma Plugins app is more than just an add-on. Most people get this wrong. It transforms Figma from a design tool into a highly customizable, workflow-enhancing platform for designers and teams. On the pros side, Figma plugins provide automation, additional functionality, and integrations that save time and boost creativity. Plugins can automate repetitive design tasks, generate content, manage design systems, or export assets in various formats. Popular plugins include image and icon libraries, stock photo generators, and accessibility checkers. The Figma community constantly releases new plugins, so designers have endless options for extending functionality. On the cons side, too many plugins can slow down Figma performance, and some third-party plugins may not be well maintained or compatible with updates. Relying heavily on plugins can also make projects harder to standardize across teams, especially if not all members use the same tools. In conclusion, the Figma Plugins app is ideal for designers and teams looking to streamline workflows and enhance creativity. While performance and compatibility require careful management, the range of available plugins makes Figma a versatile and efficient design platform for both individual projects and collaborative work.